Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. If you're new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for joining me once again.
Thank you for absolutely everything.
My name is Erica Mashilwane, the owner of Cosmatica. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a list of 10 of my favorite makeup products, okay? In no particular order, I'm just gonna be going with the flow. So first up, we've got my favorite strip eyelash adhesive. This is what it looks like. Kind of pull it out like that. It's got a very nice clean smell. It says with aloe. So it's very nice, guys. Like, it holds well in terms of makeup clients. I believe and trust in this. This is the Kiss brand. Okay guys, this one you can get at Clicks especially. I'm not too sure about the other stores, but I always run to Clicks to get this. Okay, so this is our lash glue at number 10. At number 9, we've got our setting spray. Okay, so I've loved a lot of different setting sprays before. My ultimate, I know I don't have it right here because I finished it, but yeah, so that one was the Avon one, right? It's like you can't really just get it at any store. You have to like order from a person that sells Avon, but that Avon one is top tier. So since I ran out, this has been my go-to girl for years. From the beginning of time up until now, I can always trust her. The Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray, love this one. At number 8, we've got our eyeliner. So this is the liner that I do under the eyes, right? This is by Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Kylie Jenner one. It says lip and eyeliner pencil. It's a nice thick one. I just love it because when I apply it, it doesn't smudge. Like some other ones, I feel like by the end of the day, the liner's coming all the way up until under your eyes. But just this one is it's so thick and creamy that when I apply it on myself or my clients, it just doesn't move. So love this one. And at number 7, we've got our The Dip eyeliner by Essence. Okay, this is a waterproof one. So there's a non-waterproof and there's a waterproof one. Take it out, it looks something like this. That's the girl. Very affordable. You can get this at Clicks as well. I'm not too sure about the other stores, but definitely pop into Clicks. You can get this liner. Creates a really nice like wing liner. It's beautiful. It's nice and thin, doesn't smudge, doesn't do funny things, lasts all day. The color's nice and black, jet black. Love it. Number 6. Okay, now I'm looking at a blush, right? A blush. This girl is a blushing. I love this because I can use it on literally any type of client, from the lightest client to the darkest client. There is something that I can mix up, and I never ever use like one shade and apply it. I always will like look at the person's undertones and apply a little bit of this, that, and that, or a little bit of this. Like I'll always like do at least 2 or 3 at all times. Like I'll mix a little mixture for the person. This is by Classic Makeup USA. I got this when I was in beauty school, so I don't exactly know where to purchase it, but if you would want to purchase something like this, maybe look it up and you can find this. I've had it for so long, I love it so much. Definitely if it runs out, I'm gonna repurchase. Number 5, we have got our Vision Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is one of the best I have ever used. It's got a little E there because this is the Earth palette. Okay guys, so at number 4, we've got our foundation of choice. You know me from back in the day up until today. It'll always be Kryolan, guys. This is professional TV makeup. Let me get you to see, yes, see the color right there. It says Derma Color Camouflage Cream. This is what it looks like inside. Absolutely love. Let me see if I can show you guys the shade. So it says D13/5L. That's just one of the shades that I've got. Obviously I've got a whole lot because I'm a makeup artist. I work with a lot of people, but this is their new packaging from Kryolan. Love this makeup. It's full coverage. It just reads well when it comes to video footage, camera, everything. So at number 3, we've got our mascara. So here we've got a nice Loreal mascara. Telescopic lift. Okay, this is what it looks like right there. I love it because I can do it on clients that have the tiniest lashes up until the longest lashes. It's always going to show like the best of the person's lashes. It elongates, it's nice and full volume. Like, you can just never go wrong with this. So I love it. It's nice and clean, it doesn't make a mess. It's just precise to the point. It gets in there, gets up there, done. So L'Oreal, you did good with this one. At number 2, we've got our setting powder. This is from Revlon Colorstay. It's the Blot powder, matte setting powder. Love this so much because it literally mattifies the person all day. Like, when I use this powder, if I do your makeup at 2 p.m., at 10 p.m. you're still looking bomb, okay? Like, it just holds in that thick foundation that we would have put with the Kryolan, especially now I'm talking TV glam, okay? Obviously it's under heavy light, so if I did a very heavy beat on you, you need something that's gonna lock that in, okay? Even if you do a nice light soft glam, it's just a good all-rounder. You can get this at Clicks as well. I'm not sure about the other stores, but I purchased mine at Clicks. At number 1, we have a little bit of an extra surprise because I've got 2 of the same product. So at number 1, we're looking at highlighters, okay? So the original one that I always use is the MAC one, but I recently found something by Fenty Beauty, which I adore. This is the How Many Carrots. It says right there, How Many Carrots. These are fighting for the number 1 spot when it comes to our highlighters. I'll just tell you guys the difference in terms of these, why I always put them together. This one has more color and pigment. Let me just show you. Hope I took enough, but can you see, like, it's called Gold Deposit. Like, it will goldify the cheek area, so the person really looks bronzed and like super full glam. But this one is more transparent, so you won't see it, but when it is like under proper light, it has that strobe effect. So this one you can use on anybody, like in terms of skin tone, you can use it on a light skin tone, dark skin tone. It's literally just translucent glitter basically, versus this one, it's very color specific. Like, I like it on more of a browner skin girl, on a darker skin girl. When it comes to lighter skin girls, I'll use something a bit lighter. Like, I've got another MAC highlighter, which is a bit more of a silver undertone. So this one is more to do with the type of undertone that you've got going on. But yeah, MAC highlighters, absolutely perfect for my skin tone. I love the shade Gold Deposit, right? The MAC highlighter. But favorite forever and ever, I mean, Rihanna, Fenty Beauty, you came through. And I love this one because you can, especially for bridal makeup and like red carpet, you can literally make sure that you put it all over your client's hands and like neck and stuff, so they literally look so glittery and shimmery, of which you can't really do that with this because it will make the clothes dirty and like get off on other people's clothes. But this is just like translucent glitter, so love this so much. So yeah guys, thank you very much for joining me in another one of my videos. Please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and yeah, I'll be back with another one very soon. Love you lots. Bye.